2003 Toyota Corolla. Shifter it's moving, it's all loose, they said. I have not touched it at this point. I just came, I was called to come to diagnose the problem. It's all loose. The car does not move, they say, which tells me that it might be a problem either on the linkage, the cable that goes from here, or either on the transmission. So I'm gonna verify that right now. I have to, here is the key. I'm gonna, let's see. Okay, yeah, maybe the cable, the linkage right there, the cable is totally disconnected either from here or either on the transmission there. So this is just to take a quick look. I'm gonna try to open this. This is easy to remove. It's just this cover here is just prior. Oh, there it goes. The linkage, the cable is disconnected from the shifter here on the pin. Okay, I just put it back. Okay, it seems like the grommet there or something fell. Okay, this is the entire console here, everything. I'm gonna lift this up, and it has oops, here. Lift this up here, inside here, and two 10mm bolts. I have to remove them. Okay, and right now I took those two bolts off. You see the two holes right there. So I lifted up just to pull this the connector of this cigarette lighter here. Cigarette lighter right there. Okay, and right now what you do is just lift up the emergency brake, lift it up all the way up, so you can because you have to lift this up, the whole thing. But before that happens, you have to there is a connector here, as you can see. Also, these are the clips here, the white one and that one. You have to unclip it because this is on the console here on this side. So you have to be careful. It's the same one right there. That's attached to it, right there. This one. So once you lift this up and you take those clips off, then you just press them. Okay, I unclip it already. I pushed it on both sides, on this one and this one, with two screwdrivers. Could be Phillips or flathead. Just like that. So now I'm just gonna lift this up. It should be free to. I hope nothing else is okay. Thing here is preventing it from coming out. What I'm gonna do is okay, right there. Oops, there it goes. This is the cable. This is the one that goes beneath there, and it's out. And this is the problem here, as you can see, right there, keeps coming off. I'm gonna do a temporary fix. I'm just gonna, all I'm gonna do is just hold it here with something. You can just grab it with something here, like a wire and something like that, and it should be good, because all it does is coming out, as you can see. Okay, from this angle, I have a better view here on the passenger side. This is here, see? There's nothing to hold it. Okay, this is going to be the temporary repair here. This now, we don't have these parts right now, just for an emergency, but it can go a long time with that. So that's gonna be the repair right now. Zip ties right there. Please, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.